Hi, my name is Tom Meets, the licensed real estate broker and investor, and one of the questions I get from my buyers is, what are the different types of loan programs? Well, in general, there are two types of loan programs. One are government-backed programs, and those are programs like the FHA, VA for veterans, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, government, quasi-government entities. The other, on the other hand, are conventional mortgages. These are typically underwritten by banks, sold in the secondary market, but they require more money down. Your government programs, for instance, your VA loan can be zero down loan. Your FHA, 3.5% down. Now, zero down or 3.5% down does not mean that that's it for all of your fees. That simply means there's no upfront money needed. However, you still have to pay for things like your appraisal, your lender fees, some of these other things. Sometimes you can roll it into the loan, sometimes you can't. But the government programs are for people without a lot of money saved who want to get into a home. The interest rates right now are extremely good, very competitive with conventional mortgages, but they do have some additional fees that you wouldn't find on a conventional mortgage. Now, a conventional mortgage typically requires 20% down. You'll sometimes see them with 10% down, but with 20% down, some of these fees, for instance, private mortgage insurance, are no longer there. 20% down also makes you much more attractive to the lender. It also gets your payment down. But do keep in mind that the banks are pretty reasonable on the conventional terms right now, and the government programs are still there, and while they got a lot quite strict after the big crash, they've actually loosened up and gotten a little more reasonable. So don't be afraid to go ahead and start looking at a home. Be sure to talk to your lender in advance so you know how much home you can afford and what price range you should be shopping in. If you have any more questions about different types of loan programs, feel free to contact us at our websites on the screen behind me, and we'll be happy to answer your questions.